How to get COVID-19 tested and do it yourself? First is to schedule an appointment. Google it and select coronavirus.lacd.org. Make sure to select Service Now. Or you can type this in. Select Schedule an appointment now. There are several questions that you have to answer, mostly yes or no questions. These questions are like, do you have the symptoms? And if you do, when did you start to have the symptoms? Are you an essential worker? Do you have chronic medical condition? Then provide your personal info. How would you prefer to receive the test results? Email, text, or both? Then choose your testing location, date, and time. Select Reserve Test to finalize it. The confirmation number will be provided. You need a form of ID and the confirmation number on the testing day. Come prepared by not eating or drinking anything 1 hour prior to the appointment. The test results will be available in 3 to 5 days. So today is the date. We are heading to the testing site called San Gabriel Valley Airport. The address is 4233 North Santa Anita Avenue in Monte. It depends on where you're coming from. You can make a right or left on Bryant's Road. The testing site is located right in the parking lot of the airport. Wow, it's pretty empty today. Surprisingly, there's no cars in front of us or behind us. So now we have to provide the confirmation number, which is the appointment numbers, along with our IDs. So we were told that the whole procedure will be done by ourselves. After collecting our information, they handed us 2 bags of the nasal swab kits, 1 for each. The bag has 1 cotton nasal stick and 1 liquid tube.
So you're going to do 10 seconds each nostril, okay? I'm just going to be right here just to make sure it's the right angle and the right length inside, okay?
So take this out first.
Yeah, you can take it out, yeah.
And
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
like that?
A little further. You're gonna feel a little resistance, almost like you're trying to go to the bridge of your nose inside. It's gonna be a little uncomfortable. Right when you're there, twist around 10 seconds. Move it around, trying to get all the sides inside. You're good. You can twist it around. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now you can take it out and do the other nostril.
Whoa.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right,
Pretty
good
easy.
job. Good job. So now you can take the liquid portion of your test. You're going to open it up and put the Q-tip face down inside the liquid.
Like this?
Perfect, yeah. And
All
then
the way down?
Yeah, go ahead. And then break off the rest of the stick. There's a little perforation. Perfect. Seal that back nice and tight, and then put it back in your bag and seal that tight as well.
Yay, all done.
Perfect, yeah. And then you can just dump it in this blue
Okay.
bucket. Yeah.
Surprisingly, the next day, less than 12 hours, we got our test results back. So the test result is handled and delivered by Helvena.